welcome back to our channel.
Today we're doing something really cool, and I don't really know if we know how to do it, but today we're making
some slime.
Some homemade slime. Now I'm not too sure how to do it, but if you look at the list right here, we might be able to do it. Okay? So we're gonna start off. Let's just make ssure it doesn't fall because it looks like it's gonna come down. No, it doesn't. And we're good. 2/3. She didn't get the cup. She didn't get the cup. We got the 2/3. Okay. So we're gonna have to wing it here. Okay. So here we go.
Yeah. As you could tell, as we started pouring the glue, I kind of realized if we kept going at this rate, we would be here all night.
Oh my god!
Okay, now that we got all the glue into the bowl, we're gonna add shaving cream.
Yes, my favorite part.
So we need 2 cups of shaving cream.
You
Okay.
need this?
Yeah, we need that.
Ew, it's gluey shaving cream.
Okay. Here we go.
It looks like that, like, and it is
Spoon. All right. Okay.
This looks so bad. This looks good for some
That smells
reason.
good. That smells good.
Okay, that's
We'll do a little bit more. We'll do a little bit more just for good luck.
Let me smell. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good.
Let me know, guys. Let me know in the comments if that's good. There you go. All right, now we give it a stir.
Look at my spoon.
Give it a good stir.
Do you think we need a little more?
I'm gonna put one more in. It's looking good.
Ooh, that's
It
like.
really is.
Oh,
looking
that was
cool.
good. So
It
close.
really is looking
Look,
cool.
you almost tipped it. Like you showed it to them and you almost tipped it.
Showing it to the world. Okay, so we need some of this.
Show up.
Now, can Daddy have that spoon?
With this one?
Yeah. Okay.
Turning this slime. I'm not sure if that's
Oh, I think it might be. Wait, is it? It's kind of turning to slime. Yeah, it's actually. Hold on. Hold on.
Now, as you guys can see, I'm actually having way too much fun with this.
It's like it's getting activated. It's definitely, guys, check this out. It's actually getting activated a little bit.
Yeah. It's actually like getting there. You think so? I think so.
Comment down below if you think we're doing a good job. If we're not doing a good job, also let us know. This is our first time.
Whose team are you on? My team or this boring dad?
What? We're on the same team.
No.
I think we did it.
This boring dad is. Yeah.
Boring?
Yeah,
Bro, look at this slime that we're doing.
You don't need
What?
him here, so you vote for my team, please. Look at that.
Did we do it?
Mommy. Okay, I
All right, just taste it.
taste it.
Yeah.
No, I want to taste.
Just take a bite.
No. Okay, I'm gonna feel it.
All right. Let's see your hands.
Oh, it's kind of turning to slime.
Yeah, I think you gotta knead it a bit. I think.
Huh?
Actually, doing a really good job.
Look at my hands.
That's actually not too bad.
They're not that bad.
That's actually not too bad.
I can't believe we just made slime. Bye, guys. We'll see you on the next challenge.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.